Hello friends, welcome back to React.js with Laravel 10. In this video we can continue how to remove public folders. Like last video I will show you how to make like routes, so you can see it here. I just call here, so it's working very well, so no issue. But lots of people have like a requirement, we need to remove the public folder. So how we can do it? So I can explain for this video, and we can do it like how we can remove the public folder. Last video I will show you like how we can make it like routes, how it's work. This one I will already show you in last video. Okay, so in this video we can continue like how we can remove the public folder. And also you can see it here is our components. Let's make zoom out, like component inside hello react there, and inside hello reacts you can see it here like also we have provided like some url. And after I have removed the like a base name, because you know about here is a base name there, but I have removed. So right click, I will click and I go to console, so you can refresh, so you can see it like a base name not found because they're not a inside development mode. This reason, let's make a one command npm run dev. Just I will phrase the command so our project can runs. Okay, so you can see it here. So first of all we need to make like base name, and after we can continue. Okay, just refresh this page. So it's a now live mode because it's a development mode this project right now. So here you can see it like our base name. So just copy this name and you can put it here, base name. After I just save and go to back, then I refresh the page. So you can see it here is a automatic find out home page because it's working very well, no issue. I already explained what is the base name, what is the like directly we can work. So what we do? Okay, this is the already I explained. So in this video we can do mainly we need to remove this public folder. So we are creating builds. So this is the build where I go inside public. Let's remove this build. I don't want to need this builds. Okay, I just remove the builds. Okay, very simple. I have removed this builds and I just control X and I just put in outside. Just carefully watch. First of all I have removed the builds. Okay, after I make control X and I put in outside like here. So you can see it. I just go back again. Here I refresh. So nobody can work. You can see it's error generated. Suppose I can remove the like publics, not publics. Just go to directly in our path. So also you can see it not working. Okay. And I have one request. You are new in this channel, otherwise in the series. So please subscribe and please press the bell icon so you always get a notification and you can learn something new. Okay. So now you can see it here is not working like our main path. So just you need to go to index.php files. Inside you need to remove this dot first. Okay, so you can see it. I just remove this dot like here is there vendor, bootstrap, and like a storage, and save these files. Once you can save, so you can just refresh the page. So you can see it like a one error generate. You know me, 100% one error generate is a. So you can see it like a Vite minify not found because of I have removed a builds. So let's create a first builds. I just stop now and I am creating now builds npm run build. So it's taking few seconds. Is a building the means a building 1 minutes, just few seconds. Okay, so you can see it public inside builds inside manifest.json. So build created successfully. So you can see it's working very well, but is an issue about that our path. You can see public localhost react.js. This is the two folder. You can see it inside a build. It is not going to inside public because of we ever removed inside public everything. But build is already there inside a public. So what we need to do, we don't want to create this builds inside a public folder. We need to create for this builds outside public folder. So let's remove again. We don't want to need this is the inside a public folder like here there. So I can remove again. Okay, so this is the builds again removed, but I need to create this builds without public folder. I don't want to go inside a public folder. So how we can solve? So just you need to go to vite config.js file. Here we need to write another plugin, like another plugin inside means one thing. So I can show you what we need to do. Just we need to provide our directory. So is a plugin outside like this is the like here is a plugin code React.js. Now we need to do here is a like our work. So what we need to do, build same like you can do it like plugins we did, same like we can do it builds. here is a like a parameter, like there is a like a not array. Okay, so just we can type here out directory. So out directory where I can put, so we need to call like a build, we need to provide our name like a builds. Okay, I save these files, I just go back again and I will create again builds, npm run builds. So you can see it here. So build creating, so just wait few seconds. So you can see it, here is a new folder available like a builds, not public folder inside, you can see. So it's available outside public folder, you see. So let's go to back again, refresh the page. So you can see it like a not working. Okay, still not working. Our build is going to outside, like here inside, not a public folder. He is going to here. You can see it. Builds here is going, but still not working. Why is not working? You can see it like a G drive. This is the my G drive. Axem is my folder name. htdoc inside React.js. So this is the folder name, and inside is also React.js folder. Inside is a public. Inside is a builds and a minify. So here what we need to do, we don't need this public name. So how we can change for this path is a two-way possible. Okay, I can tell you is a two-way possible, but I will explain like easy way. What need to do, just go to index.php files. This is the index.php file. So inside you can see it here like a bootstrap app.php file. So let's go to like here is a like a bootstrap. Inside it to go app.php file. So here we are providing like a path about the base path. You can see it like a public path. So we need to write here is a one condition. Suppose we need to remove the public one, so how we can do it? So I can show you which condition do you want to write. It's a very easy, no any difficulty. So here just need to use like $app use public path. So this is the function in Laravel, use public path. Suppose you can go directly like this, so you can understand, you can see it, here is a function there inside application.php, but this is the application.php is available inside a vendor folder. So we don't want to change inside anything in vendor folders. So just close this name, and here you can pass like a base URL. Okay, now here two things. Suppose whatever URL I can provide is works. Okay, I will provide like anything like text. Okay, and I save these files, so you can see it. Let's go to back again and we can refresh the page. Okay, I refresh the page, go back and refresh the page. So you can see it, base URL. Oh sorry, I make a wrong, base path, not a URL. Sorry about that. Base path. Okay, is a base path. You can see it, this is the name, this is the base path. Okay, so just you can put like a base path. I just go back again and refresh the page. So you can see it now is not showing the like a public, here showing the text. You can see it. So what we need to do, we need to provide like this name, so it's going to front. So just you can make it like a slash. Once you can make a slash, and after you can save these files and just go back again and refresh the page. So you can see it is working very well. Just taking few seconds, after you can see it is working, not working. Okay, is something error generate about resources, so we need to create again new builds, and after we can try. So let's make it run first project, npm run dev. We can run these projects, so it's working, not working, we can see it. Okay, first of all we need to change for this app URL because in env file. So just copy and go to env files, and we don't want to use this one now, so just change to in our URL. So this is our URL, and paste here, and here is a development mode working. You can see it like updated, automatic restarts. Once you can change, I just go back and refresh the page. It's taking few seconds again. So here you can see it connected. But now is a problem about base name. You can see I had a base name like publics, not able to match URL React because now we have removed the public folders. So just need to go back again in your hello React.js and you can remove the public. Suppose do you want to use like a PHP artisan server, so you don't want to anything change. But right now I remove the public folder. this reason I am changing here name. Okay, so just go back again and refresh the page. So you can see no any error, is working very well. So I can change here. So you can see without public folder, you can refresh this page, so also can work. I already show you how it works and how we can do it inside a route inside web.php, so you can see it here. So this is the I already show you in last video, so don't worry about that, it is working very well. Okay, so let's go back again. You can see it is very cool way it works. So this is the reason I explain why we need to remove the public folders, because nobody can like public inside everything there. Some lots of people ask I need to make it outside, so don't remove this what, because what is always creating is a like run dev mode, so always here creating for this one. Okay, suppose you are making like a like this command pmp run dev, so always what created. So this is the not difficulty, but just you need to make like outside, you don't want to go inside. So builds, and you need to change remove the public folders, just need to go to like bootstrap inside app, and you need to add just these lines. So public path also removed, and you can find out like our main file means mini fast.json. Okay, so everything clear, you can see it here is the work assets inside, you can see it means assets means this is the you can find out, and also src, so you can here also find out. I will make control u, so you can see it like a very secure code, nobody can understand what here show. So here is working like this, but impossible to understanding because the secure coding. This is the main reason. Let's make a build create, after we can test is working not working. Okay, just stop this one, and I create a npm run builds. So this is the already build there is a like automatic doing rewriting here. Okay, so don't worry about that, because we already provide here like a output directory is the builds. So is build successfully created. I just go, I refresh the page. So I think not found the issue. Suppose issue found, so we can solve the issue, so don't worry about that. Okay, here's a one issue, reason course did not success status code, and the course did not score status code. Like okay, I think we need to provide asset url, because of this is the like url work inside assets. Suppose I can make here, so this is the url working like asset wise, so we need to provide assets url. So what we need to do inside env, we need to put here like assets url. So simple, just copy this name, and you can change here like a asset, like a asset url like this, assets url. After you can save these files and just go back again, so still not work. So working, so it's good, otherwise we need to create a new builds. So let's create a new builds, npm run builds. It's taking again few seconds, and after is a build created, after we can check working not working. Okay, so it's build successfully created, just go back again. So still issue, I don't know what's the issue. Cross request did not success, status code nulls, resources js, because he's adding a like a code, this reason not working. Let me check what is the issue, otherwise I have removed, but just build not working. Suppose I can go to run dev, so it's working very well. npm run dev, so it's not taking any times, it's working very well. Just refresh the page, because mode wise is working very well, you can see it. Like I refresh again, so it's very quick works. Only problem about builds. Let's try to remove this builds again. I don't need this builds here, and I can create a new builds. So sometimes you not like this issue, because this is the node.js inside work, so we need to test every possibility. Okay, so productions and build successfully created, and I just go back and refresh the page. So taking few seconds, I think generate the again error, cross block same. Let me check what is the issue, so we can sort out this issue. Let me check what is the issue. I think issue inside what files. Let's go to in our code, so you can see it here is a what file. Suppose you are creating builds, okay, here you can see it like old file, what file. So this is the what file do you want to remove, because after you can create a build, so 100% work inside public inside not their old what file, but is a dev mode there, because once time you can checking, so is what file created is not generate, like lots of people like this issue is some people generate the issue, suppose is it doing something else command, so is generate the issue because our side generate the issue. So it's simple, just you can go to back folder like here in your project, and you can find out the what file you just need to remove these files, just delete. And after you need to create again builds like a pmp run builds. Let's make a zoom. I just forgot today, need to make a zooms because pmp runs builds. After just to press the enter, so taking few seconds. So here is the build is creating, so just wait. And here is a no any what file, you can see it inside public also is a no what file, because is a what file showing inside a like a, once we can make dev, so we are creating hot file, but once you can make it like build, so we need to remove this old file what files. Let's go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it's working, not working, everything working very well with no issue. You can see it here like base pathwise works. So when I go to contact us, refresh, so contact us page showing. So when I go to home, so showing the home page. So when I go to about us, so showing the about us. So this is the reason we need to remove the public folder, so look like back better on your website. And mainly use why I show you is a remove the public folder. Suppose you are upload this code in live server, okay, I will show you in one demo like a like another like shared hosting inside I can how I can upload for this project, so I can show you, don't worry about that. I will create a new video for this one react.js project, how we can run inside our live server. But simple, this is the work I show you right now, you can do, and you can upload all the files automatically work inside a live folder, because whatever I need to remove, this one I will remove. Now what I need to clean, what I have already I have cleaned. So what I can do is a control U, so you can see JS file and also JS file. So everything is clear because we have not added like CSS file. Suppose you can add a CSS file, so also can work. So don't worry about that. Okay. So like this code you can find out anytime. So you can think, okay, this is the React.js. Otherwise AngularJS already available, and otherwise Vue.js you can using. So it's like this code you can find out. So it's impossible hacking. So for this work, like this is the work we have did is already there inside. Okay, and here as you can see, copyright is like Facebook. This is the Facebook provide. This reason is a Facebook side available. Next video I will show you is like a very good video, how to implement inside React.js admin panel. Like we can use any admin panel. Suppose we have already downloaded before like a admin LT. Okay, this is the like these themes I can show you how we can implement inside React.js, because we can create like simple projects. After we can start like a new project using React.js with a professional way. Right now I'm just clearing the all the funda, so we can start new projects, so you can easily understand what I am doing. Okay, this is the reason I am showing everything step by step. But next video we can show how we can do it. Like here is like side menu, how it up, and you can click on the admin, so admin side is everything I can show you step by step, and you can understand easily how you can implement here like a admin themes. I hope you can understand what I did to remove public name like inside URL, and how you can run directly. And suppose here now is a PHP artisan server is not possible to work because we have removed a public folder. Suppose public folder inside there, so PHP artisan server works, but now not possible to works. I hope do you have a clears. Okay. So what you are thinking, okay, let's make a PHP artisan server, and it's working, not working. Let's show you. So it's good for you. PHP artisan server. Okay, I just press the enter, so your confusion is gone. Suppose working, so it's good, but I am 100% sure is not works. Let me checks, because oh, is working, is good. So we have no issue, but is the problem, but we need to remove the here base name after you need to create a builds. Let's try. I think 127s. So you can see not working because here is a base name there, you can see it here. This is the we need to first we need to creating like another builds for this URL wise, like you need to put this URL inside a env files here, both side asset and app URL. And after you need to remove the here is a base name, after you need to sorry you need to remove the inside here is a base name, after is a working is the one thing we can change. So lots of place need to change, so it's better we don't want to work like a PHP artisan server directly. We can work because I like it directly work. PHP artisan server is sometimes good, sometimes not good, I don't know, but I just use directly projects. So this is the project direct here work inside URL wise, so is everybody for goods. I am thinking my end, okay, because I did lots of projects, so I am understanding. Let's called like localhost, and we can add a folder name, and after we can run our project name. So I hope you can understand and you have everything clear about React.js inside, how to remove the public folder using the Laravel inside. And do you want to like this video? So please like, and do you want to see like this video more? So please subscribe our channel. And thank you for watching.